So, Christine Ramsey, Head of Client Operations, based in Waterford. Everything from people I work with to the fantastic products we have for our clients. Yeah, I've worked for carriers, consulting firms, so I've started my career off in Coutts Bank and then into Royal Bank of Scotland as a tech lead, and then into Ascentia as a senior tech lead, and then into British Telecoms. So yeah, working as a senior design lead there as well. It helps clients to get ahead of issues, so proactive monitoring, and obviously be able to generate the test data to be able to force change with carriers, and obviously even within their own teams to be able to make sure, you know, any changes that are made are incorrect are resolved quite quickly. The quickest way to put it to somebody is that thing that you dial or you hear when you dial your bank and you have to press 1 for something or press 2 for something. You know, we monitor and help customers look for outages on those sort of things. Lots really. It was the plan, where they wanted to take the company, the problem we wanted to solve, and the vision, I guess, the vision that they had. I remember walking out of my interview and phoning my old manager, and I just said, you know, somewhere I'd really like to work. I think I could do good things there. I guess listening to the problem. I love looking to solve problems. So very interested in listening to issues or problems our clients have, and then looking at how we can use our platform to obviously help them resolve that. So onboarding would be the first experience they'll get. We do intros, we take them through a very seamless onboarding process, work closely with them, understand their goals, what they're looking to get out of coming onto Klearcom, understand their architecture, you know, what they have in terms of voice platforms and what we're looking to monitor, and then obviously to help them resolve any issues that they have, or help them find them as well. Some don't realise until we actually put their numbers into testing, you know, they get blown away with the volume of things that they actually find that they never had a clue were happening. So yeah, seamless onboarding, and then yeah, hand-holding and building a really strong relationship. Very positive feedback. Amazing for them to be able to actually see things that they couldn't see before. So, you know, you have clients that might test to a test prompt. You know, they're never actually replicating a customer experience. So using our tool from day one, they're seeing exactly what their clients are seeing and their customers, and it's an eye-opener for them. So we manage that softly as part of our onboarding, because it can be a bit of a shock when they start to see, you know, stuff that's been happening that's been missed. Depends what the issue is. So obviously the platform will automatically alert once that's been through our triage process, that's released to a client. The account exec will always follow up on alerts with customers to see if they need any further assistance or help. If they do, we jump on calls with them. We go on troubleshooting calls with carriers if needed. You know, we have a team of experts that are there to obviously support the customers to resolution, really. We show the clients how to pull information off the platform. The account exec will also do that if necessary to help, you know, save time. All the data that's produced obviously is standard format that can, you know, be shared with anybody. That goes obviously to carriers. Sometimes you get pushed back, but yeah, it's pretty hard to push back on the fact. So, you know, this is the great thing with the tool, is when you go into the carrier and you're bringing evidence, very difficult to push back on some of that.